Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873 extension 7000 Buyer Incentive. Welcome to Clearwater Preserve, a community rooted in nature. The Greyson 3 designed by Bill Beazley Homes is an open floor plan perfect for entertaining. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom ranch home sits on a corner lot. Large great room with cozy fireplace. Kitchen with granite counter and island overlooking the great room. Kitchen also features a full backsplash, stainless steel appliances and pantry. There is also a spacious power pantry with lots of storage space. Dining area with tray ceiling. This home has beautiful Evacore waterproof click flooring and foyer, kitchen, breakfast area, great room, power pantry, half bath, and garage hall. Bathrooms with quartz countertops and LVT flooring. Large owner's suite with double sink vanity, separate shower with semi-frameless shower door, soaking tub and water closet. Big walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete this lovely home. This home also includes 2-inch faux wood blinds on the front windows, a covered back porch and patio, programmable sprinkler system that cover front, back and sides, tankless gas hot water heater, Interlogix smart home security system, structured wiring using CAT6 and RG6 wiring and a programmable Z-Wave thermostat. 2-car side entry garage. Convenient to downtown Augusta and Aiken. 625 CP 7901.